How to delete OANDA account. First of all, make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile. While browsing through the profile settings, you will notice that there is no direct option to delete your OANDA account. To close your account, you need to contact OANDA's customer support team. On the home page, scroll down to the bottom or go to the resources section and click on help. This will open the OANDA Help Center. From here, click on Contact Us, where you will see different support options such as live chat, email support or phone support. To delete your account, simply reach out using your preferred method. The support team will then guide you through the account closure process and may ask you to verify your identity and withdraw any remaining funds before your account can be closed. Once your request is submitted, your account will first be archived and then permanently closed according to OANDA's policies. Since there's no direct delete button, contacting OANDA support is the only way to permanently close your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.